Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys your Bluetooth setting in your Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you change your Bluetooth device name. Guys you want to change and guys you want to rename your Bluetooth device name. So friends you can rename, and guys now let's see how to rename Bluetooth device name in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you. So when first of all guys we will on our phone setting to change our Bluetooth device name in Realme phone. Then guys you can see guys your third option is Bluetooth settings. So can tap here. So first of all guys we will have to on our Bluetooth settings. So guys you can see your device name is your device name is Realme phone, and guys you want to change into your name any another name. So guys you can change. So example guys we will take into mobile Realme Bluetooth. Example for guys, I told you guys mobile Realme Bluetooth like that guys you can change. So guys we will click on same option, and guys you can see your advanced setting. So friends you can use guys your advanced setting from here. Visible to other device you can on and off. Media volumes can guys on and off. Display codes standard guys on and off guys you can use from here. The Bluetooth setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to change Bluetooth device name and guys how to use Bluetooth setting in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching.